In this video, we will cover how to install the Select system if the walls are bowed or wavy. The Select system is designed to handle slightly bowed walls or wavy walls with a standard installation method. However, if the walls are severely bowed, you may notice this when you hang your panels and they do not drop in the rail completely. If this happens, remove the panel and rail cover. Rehang the panel. At the closest screw to each side of the panel, back out the screw a half turn at a time until the panel sets into place. Remove the panel to reinstall the rail cover, then rehang the panel. Due to the superior strength of the rail and anchoring system, having to slightly back out 2 screws for a bowed panel does not jeopardize the integrity of the Select system. If the walls are severely wavy, you may notice this when you install a fixed shelf, that the resort bolts do not line up with the cams, or a movable shelf may not sit flush with the panels. For both a fixed or movable shelf, measure the distance the shelf juts out past the panel and cut the same measurement off the back of the shelf.